Good day everyone. Here I have Garmin Venu SQ and I'm gonna unbox it and walk you through pairing and set up the watch. Then connect to Garmin Connect app and download some watch faces from Garmin Connect IQ. Without further ado, let's get to it. In the box we have the watch, standard Garmin charging cable and the manual. The charging cable can be used to transfer data and it is compatible with other Garmin Venu and Phoenix models. Let's start to set up the watch by entering the birth date. In the middle, pairing with phone pop up. By accepting it, the watch asking you to download Garmin Connect app to get started. Press back and select the language, gender and metric for setting the height and weight. Select the wrist and time format, then press OK. To set the time, you can use GPS or do it manually. Then set the year, month and day, then hit OK. Now you can go ahead to watch faces and select a pre-installed one and customize it if you want. However, only 3 of them available initially. Now let's look at the features that watch is equipped with. Start with music player, then my day which shows burnt calories, health stat which shows heart pulse, stress level, body battery, respiration, history that shows the last 7 days activities, amount of water you targeted to drink per day, and other features like weather, messages, notifications that all needs phone connectivity. In activities, we need to select favorites. So from the top, I'm gonna pick run, treadmill, indoor track, bike, bike indoor, walk indoor, pool swim, golf, strength, cardio, breathwork, and stair stepper for now. However, you can add or remove activity apps whenever you want. For instance, let's select the strength app. You can check workouts and training calendar. In the setting, you can customize the data screen, alert, auto scroll, and other options. In data screen, each screen layout can be specifically set to measure and show the data you want to. For example, screen 3 has 3 fields and shows the timer, heart rate, and average heart rate, so we can customize them all according to our needs. Press set, then you're good to go with your exercise. And at the end of the exercise, you can see a summary of the recorded data you have selected. In this case, work time, number of sets, amount of calories, and the average heart rate. Let's compare the last year Garmin Venu with this year Garmin Venu SQ. Garmin Venu costs USD 349.99 with high quality AMOLED display, while the Venu SQ Music Edition costs USD 179.99 and non-music edition costs USD 129.99. Venu SQ has normal LCD display, so the quality is not as good as Venu. The buttons on Venu is golden metallic, while on Venu SQ is just plastic. As for heart rate and pulse oximeter sensors, both are identical with same battery life and music playback features. The Venu has capability to store music, but for Venu SQ, only the music edition can store music. As for sport capabilities, both Venu and Venu SQ are waterproof with built-in GPS, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and smartphone connectivity, but Venu SQ doesn't have animated workouts and no floors climb features. I've added full Garmin Venu review at the end of this video. As for heart rate accuracy, let's compare it with Garmin flagship Phoenix 6X, and it shows a very close rate, which means the lower cost has not compromised the measurement accuracy. Alright, let's go to Garmin Connect app and add this new watch to the list. In Garmin Connect app, at the top left corner, you can see 3 bars, which contains activities, connections, and settings. Tap it and then select Garmin devices. In this menu, find the Venu series, then select Venu SQ. Make sure your device is in close proximity. Once the device was found, it's asking for link connect. Press OK and let the device start with setup. In the middle of the process, a code will be given to pair the watch with phone. Enter the code and let the device complete the setup. Once the setup was complete, you can set the sleep and wake up time, select the wrist, and let the phone synchronize with watch. Once syncing was done, you can create workouts, find training, and set goals. Now your watch is ready to track activities 24/7. and you're able to download apps, watch faces, and widgets from Garmin Connect IQ. Since the watch is connected to phone and synchronized, we are able to see more information such as weather forecast, notifications, and music. The weather forecast shows hourly and daily update, which is a very cool feature to have on watch. The last but not least feature is auto brightness, which adjusts the screen brightness based on ambient light. Many of Garmin models with LCD or AMOLED screens such as Venu series, Lily, and VivoMove have this feature. It makes the watch more user-friendly and helps saving battery by automatically decrease the brightness in darker ambient conditions. At the end, if you have any question, leave a comment below, and same as always, thank you for watching and see you next time.